There's a new frontier in motion design, and it's interactive. Nearly every app, website, and smart device on the planet has animation these days, and that motion often needs to be controllable. Enter Rive, the #1 interactive motion design tool on the market, enabling artists to precisely craft real-time animation and interactions that can be shipped directly to code, making developers very happy. To help you move into this cutting-edge area, we've put together a comprehensive introduction to Rive that we call Rive Academy Kickstart. In this intro course, you'll learn how to import artwork from widely used design apps like Figma, how to design inside of Rive, how to use the most common animation tools in the app, and most importantly, how to build and ship satisfying real-time user interactions that can effortlessly work inside a real app. This project-based course is designed to give you a rock-solid foundation in how Rive works and how to wrap your mind around its powerful state machine system. By the end of it, you'll feel confident building out interactive animated components that your clients can implement in no time. And if you complete the final project for the course, you can earn a verified credential to share publicly, showing off your new interaction design skills. And we even give you a final challenge at the end of the course. It's an opportunity to test out your new Rive skills and create your first interactive portfolio piece. Companies like Duolingo, Google, Figma, Spotify, LinkedIn, and many more are already integrating Rive into their products, and more animators and developers are discovering the power of Rive daily. Don't miss out on getting into this new area of motion design early before the rest of the world figures out just how powerful this tool is. And let us know if you have any questions. Our team is standing by. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you in Rive Academy Kickstart and in the rest of our Rive curriculum on School of Motion All Access.